Hello, how are you feeling?
Hello, I'm doing great, thanks.
What is your name?
My name is Jack.
What is your surname?
My surname is O'Brien.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrated on September 5th.
Are you Australian?
No, I'm not.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States of America.
What state were you born in?
I was born in Massachusetts.
Which city?
Boston.
Oh, okay. Where do you live now?
I live in Cambridge now.
Do you live in your own house?
No, I'm renting it. It's a 3-bedroom apartment.
How much is the rent?
The rent is $5,500 a month.
Does it include utility bills?
Yes, it includes everything.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet 2 inches.
What is your weight?
I weigh 159 pounds.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do.
How many are they?
They are 2, 1 brother and 1 sister.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What is the name of your wife?
She is called Anna O'Brien.
What does she do for a living?
She is a lawyer.
How many children do you have?
We have 2 children, and both are girls.
How old are they?
Our first daughter is 13 years old, and the second one is just 3.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is cheeseburger.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can. I used to cook quite often.
What did you like cooking?
I liked cooking chicken salad, shrimp quesadilla, and hamburgers.
How did you learn to cook?
I learned it with my mother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway.
Do you like watching documentaries?
Yes, I like documentaries a lot.
What types of documentaries do you watch?
I like watching animal, geography, and science documentaries.
Which animal do you like the most?
The animal I like the most is the tiger.
What is your favorite pet?
Dogs are my favorite pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. It's actually a dog.
What is its name?
My dog's name is Max.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Not much, but whenever I can, I play some of them.
Which ones?
The guitar and the piano.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
What car brand do you like?
I like driving Audi cars.
What is your dream car?
My dream car is the Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I exercise a lot.
What are your favorites?
I like jogging, doing push-ups, and lifting weights.
Did you go to college?
Yes, I did.
What was the name of your college?
I went to Harvard University.
What did you study in college?
I studied dental medicine.
What degree did you earn?
I earned a Doctor of Dental Medicine degree.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a dentist and entrepreneur.
How long did it take you to become a dentist?
Overall, it took me 10 years to become a dentist.
How much do you earn a salary?
In all, I earn over $1 million a year.
Where do you work?
I work at Massachusetts General Hospital.
Do you prefer to work alone or with others?
I love working with others. I have an amazing team, actually.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do. I travel whenever I can. So far, I've traveled to 19 countries.
Impressive. Can you state just a few?
They are Canada, Mexico, India, France, Saudi Arabia, and many others.
I suppose you speak a lot of languages then.
Not at all. I only speak English.
Really? Is it because you find languages difficult to learn?
Well, the thing is, everywhere I go, I find people who speak English.
That's true. English is widely spoken all over the world.
Exactly. That's why I don't find it useful to learn other languages.
That makes sense. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like being with my family and traveling a lot.
Do you like to go for a walk or a run?
I would definitely go for a walk with my wife and 2 children.
What is your favorite place to go for a walk?
I go to the park.
What is your favorite outdoor activity?
I like fishing.
What kind of fish do you usually catch?
Freshwater fish most of the time.
What was your biggest catch?
My biggest catch was a catfish. It was 2 feet long.
Do you like shopping?
No, I don't. It's my wife who usually goes shopping.
Do you like to watch the news?
Yes, I do. I watch the news every day.
Do you like to wear sunglasses?
I hate sunglasses, but when there is a need to wear them, I have no choice.
What phone are you using?
I'm using an iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Can I have your telephone number?
Of course. It's 555-447-2235.
What's your email address?
My email address is jack@gmail.com.
What time is it?
It's 1:30.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Have a nice day too.